Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us learn how to make a pipe cleaner vase. So first thing what you'll have to do is yeah, just cut this into the four pieces. Okay. Okay, just cut it off. So you'll have to follow this step. Okay, they're very simple, very easy and time consuming it is. So like this way you'll have to do. Okay. Also, you can just make this ready first only. So just see and follow the steps. Okay, then you'll have to put it for over here. Okay, so one by one you'll have to do like this. Okay, like this way you'll have to do. Okay, now what you'll have to do is, so keep this thing ready first only. Okay, so just follow the steps, very simple it is. Okay, so you'll have to place like this. So this later on you'll have to do, okay? So first, yeah. Now let's use this for rotating. So just follow the steps, okay? So I hope you like the flower vase, okay? So this part I'll show you all in the next class, next section, okay? So I hope you like this ideas, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, share with your friends, press the bell icon for more updates. If you have any doubts, queries, comment below, okay?